Hello students, today I am teaching to you class 7 science neutralization in everyday life. In last class I told about the what is neutralization and how neutralization reaction proceed. Neutralization reactions are formed due to the combination of an acid and a base, and they form a neutral compound or neutral substance. For example, in the last video, I took an example of a sodium hydroxide is react with the hydrochloric acid. It forms sodium chloride, which is a salt, and the water. In addition to this, the neutralization process is or reactions are very useful for us in everyday life, like indigestion. Indigestion means the digestion of the food didn't take place regularly or smoothly, and we feel pain in our stomach. All of you know that our stomach produces hydrochloric acid, but this acid is helpful for us because it helps in the digesting of our food without harming the stomach. But sometimes if the hydrochloric acid is produced in excess amount in our stomach due to the various reason like overeating, it produces pain and irritation in our stomach due to the suffering from acidity problem. In this case, we use some substances as a medicine to cure the indigestion problem, and the particular substances are the indigestion problem is caused due to the acidity rising in our stomach, so we need a substance which can diminish or reduce or decrease this problem of causing acidity in our stomach, and the substance is of basic nature, means antacids. The substance which a type of base which have no toxic effect in our stomach. One of the common antacids for curing the indigestion problem is the milk of magnesia. This milk of magnesia contains a base which is called magnesium hydroxide, MgOH whole square. Milk of magnesia is an antacid. Antacids are behaves just opposite to the acid behavior. We can also say that these antacids are bases, and which we can take these bases to cure the digestion and get rid of pain in our stomach. Another antacids we can take during the problem of indigestion, which is baking soda. The baking soda contains a base which is called sodium hydrogen carbonate. So, in your book, basically two antacids are mentioned to cure the indigestion problem in our stomach. The first one is magnesium hydroxide, which is present in the milk of magnesia, and the another antacid is baking soda, which contains sodium hydrogen carbonate. So, indigestion is caused due to the level of excessive releasing of hydrochloric acid in our stomach, and it can be cured by using some antacids medicine like milk of magnesia and baking soda. So next use of neutralization reaction is in our life ant sting. All of you know that when an ant bites a person, the sting of the ant contains an acid that is called formic acid. The formula of the formic acid is HCHO. Formic acid. This formic acid is present in the sting of the ant, and when an ant bites a person, it injects the formic acid liquid into the skin of the person, and this acid causes burning pain. If you want to get relief from the acidity action of the formic acid, we have to use here some mild base like baking soda solution or calamine solution. Calamine solution is basically contains zinc carbonate, ZnCO3, zinc carbonate, because ant's sting contains an acid which is called formic acid, and acid can be neutralized by using a base. So here the effect of formic acid, which causes pain in the person's body, which can be removed by rubbing a base like baking soda solution or calamine solution on the stung area of the skin to give a relief for the person. So in this topic, basically the ant's sting contains formic acid, which can be removed by the rubbing of a mild base like sodium, baking soda solution or calamine solution. In addition to this, sometimes soil also contains more acids or more base. If we use more and more fertilizer in a soil,